Good morning, Michael Pop here, Feldmann Imports, proud member of the Minneapolis Alano Society, otherwise affectionately known as 2218. Since 1942, 2218 has been a location of the Alano Society of Minneapolis. It's home to scores of Alcoholics Anonymous and other 12-step recovery-based meetings, including Narcotics Anonymous and Al-Anon. Research has shown that active involvement and direct connection to recovery community and a recovery support group such as AA helps maintain long-term recovery. In the rooms of 2218, members share their experience, strength, and hope with one another as they seek to recover from their addictions. Hundreds of people walk through the doors of 2218 every week seeking hope, and we see miracles happen here, always. 5 years ago, the members of 2218 were inspired to start an event for fundraising for 2218 Alano. This year, the 4th annual 2218 Ride for Recovery was Saturday, June 25th. The ride starts at St. Paul Harley-Davidson and finishes up at the Alano Club. There are many festivities such as live music and other carnival type events. This is to raise money to keep the society open to perform its service to the community. We have live music, speakers, and many other events going on in the parking lot. We sincerely thank you for helping keep hope alive.